Good afternoon and welcome to the Vivid View. Last week you may recall we introduced a new series called Your First Home Loan. And in that first episode we discussed plans and preparation that you may want to undertake before you meet with your broker for the first time. Today we're talking about NCCP. It's the National Consumer Credit Protection Act, and it's a mandatory obligation for all lenders and brokers alike when dealing with you, the individual, and it's designed to protect your best interest from a financial perspective, not only during the process of applying for the finance, but also through the term of that loan. There's 3 steps that we have to go through. Firstly, we have to make reasonable inquiries about you as an individual. Now these must cover your financial position, your professional and employment position, as well as your residential history. Secondly, once we have that information, we must make a preliminary assessment based on that information and pertaining to what you're looking to do from a finance perspective. And thirdly, if requested by you, we need to provide you with a written assessment of that preliminary assessment to prove that that finance is not unsuitable for your needs now and going forward. Brokers are also required under the Act to provide you with a credit guide. Now this is a document that will set out the information that you will need to make a decision whether you want to do business with that broker. And that's information pertaining to their credit, licensing, the structure of their business, how they're remunerated for the work they do for you, what lenders they use, and if there are any payments in place that they make to referring parties that provide them with business. As a broker, a professional broker myself, I also provide my clients with what I call a fact find. Other lenders or other brokers may call that a client needs analysis. But that document is my way of capturing that information so as I can adhere to my obligation under the NCCP of making reasonable inquiries about you, the individual. Now that's designed also to protect you because you're providing me that information for me to make an assessment based on what your needs are. So when you get that information request from your broker, don't be upset about the fact that it might be 9 pages. It's there to help you and protect you at the end of the day. Look, that's all we have time for today. Next week we're going to look at what happens after you give that information to the broker and how they present that to you. So if you have any comments about what we've talked about today, or maybe any suggestions for what we might want to talk about in the coming weeks, please put some comments down below and send them through to us. Or you can go to our website at vividfinancialservices.com.au, fill in the contact details on our page, and we'll come back to you within 24 business hours. Until then, stay safe, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.